So there's the old main sheet, quite well worn, and also some pulleys anymore, like this one, look, it's jammed up. So here's our nice new ones, nice new Lumar pulleys with new lines.
Beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
But look now, the ugly part on the bottom.
Down here.
Yeah.
That's the next project.
That must be the next project.
That's the next project.
Look how terrible it looks next to all the new stuff.
Yeah. That's the next project. That's the next part of the project.
Yeah.
Take a look at that. Some years of stress and friction
Sure.
from the mainsail.
Yeah, look at that.
Okay. So anyway, it was time to be replaced. And the next is the mast. The boom bang. I'm going to do that now. There's the new stuff lying there.
Cool.
Colours the top of the mast. Our instruments, new instruments are all working. Yay! Just the new tricolour, which goes to the top of the mast. This is more visible. The other one broke. So there we go.
And Dion is going to go up the mast to fit it.
Yeah.
Why me? Why always me?
You seem to be a master of it. So whenever you're actually good at something, everybody's going to ask you to do it.
I know, yeah. Why wasn't I terrible at it? Okay, right, it's going up.
And there's Dion right at the top of our mast, having a bird's eye view of the marina.
New compass.
Beautiful.
Smart new compass. Voila.
As you can see, a few new lines on a boat can really brighten it up and make the boat look younger. My husband Mark is really getting a lot of enjoyment out of pottering about on Goblet. Anyway, you know how it is on boats. There's always something to renew, repair or replace.